Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison, and if you've heard me speak about my friend with the 14 Wrangler, then you'll see the replacement for that right in front of me. This is a 2015 RDX base. After test driving a ton of stuff, his dad was basically fed up. Wrangler had 100,000 miles, engine light on, engine knock, needed tires and needed brakes, so they literally just went to the closest dealership and found the only compact luxury SUV on the lot, and that would be this. We're far deep in suburbia. As you can see, my 3 Series is out on the road. His mom drives an IS 350 F Sport. His dad drives a Ram 1500, and of course has the midlife crisis Corvette over there in the garage, and his brother still has a Wrangler. But as you can see here, we've got the RDX. It is an all-wheel drive. Smart key access, and behind the door handle to unlock. As you can see, seat wheel auto recall. I'm out here bearing the rain just to get a quick little video for you guys. As you can see, no nav on this one. He did test drive one with nav at a dealership in Cary, but his dad said he wasn't driving 20 minutes to go get it, and so he met his dad here and bought this one. So as you can see, let's get the trip. Where's the trip thing? Oh, we skipped it. 33,882. I wanted to get a quick video of it before it was completely trashed. As you can see, it is pretty clean. The Wrangler was absolutely disgusting. It needed a complete engine rebuild, and the dealership was dumb enough to give him $18,100 for it. I mean, it was a 14 Wrangler, but still, an engine rebuild. He took it to a Jeep dealer thinking that they would give him more, and they just gave him, they offered him 14 because it needed a rebuild. Okay. Then rear seat. Of course, just Lulu and all that kind of stuff. You want to be featured? But yeah, that's about it. You do have your backup camera underneath here. No power tailgate. Of course, a navigation model would give you that. But yeah, that's about it for my friend Austin's new 15 RDX. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.